वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello friends, welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. My dear friends, have you ever stopped to wonder about what happens after we leave this world? Do you worry about how you will be remembered, whether you will still be respected and loved, both in this life and beyond? These are the questions that many of us have faced at some point in our lives. In today's episode, we'll learn the answer to such questions through the story of a soldier named Mallu Shah, who brought similar doubts to the holy darbar of Guru Angad Dev Ji. Now, the word spread of Guru Angad Dev Ji's wisdom and guidance. Among those who heard of his teachings was Mallu Shah, a soldier in the Mughal army, burdened by heavy thoughts like, if I die on the battlefield, will my death have meaning? Will my honor remain intact in this world and the next? However, Mallu Shah was torn. As a soldier in the Mughal army, he served a force known for both power and oppression. While some saw his duty as noble, others saw it as contribution to suffering. Yet, he could not abandon his role. It was his livelihood and identity. Still, Mallu Shah longed for peace and a way to protect his honor in this life and the next. It was in this state of inner turmoil that Mallu Shah made his way to Guru Angad Dev Ji's darbar. With a voice trembling from the weight of his uncertainty, Mallu Shah then asked, Guruji, I'm a soldier. I fight for the Mughal Empire. Yet, I long for something more. How can I ensure that my honor remains intact in this life and that I find peace and respect in the next as well? How do I live and die in a way that brings me eternal happiness? Guru Angad Dev Ji looked into the eyes of the conflicted soldier and calmly gave him wisdom that goes beyond battlefield and applies even to us. Guruji said, Mallu Shah, this body is temporary. It will perish one day. But your soul is eternal, indestructible. No weapon can harm it. No fire can burn it. No water can drown it. The body belongs to this temporary world, but the soul belongs to the ultimate truth. Live with this understanding, and your fears will fade away. Therefore, perform your duties as a soldier, but do so with the awareness that this world is like a dream, temporary and ever changing. Just as a person awakens from a dream and realizes it was not real, you too will one day wake up to the eternal reality. As mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 1231. नानक कहत जगत सब मिथ्या ज्यों सुपना रैन आई. Meaning, Nanak says the whole world is totally false. It is like a dream in the night. Only Almighty is the reality. Guru Angad Dev Ji then further advised Mallu Shah to perform his job well and not be attached to it and dedicate every action to the Almighty. Guruji then emphasized that to act without fear or attachment, to know that the Almighty exists within you and in all beings. When, Mallu Shah, you see the divine in everyone, you act with compassion, integrity, and honor. Guruji also guided Mallu Shah to balance his life, perform his duty faithfully, help those in need, and give charity as an offering to the Almighty. In doing so, his honor would remain intact both in this world and the next. Now, to further remove the fear of death of Mallu Shah, Guru Angad Dev Ji explained to him about death. Guruji explained that death is not random. It occurs only when three factors come together. That is, time, meaning the exact moment destined for death. Then place, that is the location where death is meant to happen. And last one is the means, which means the medium or cause, such as weapon, disease, accident, or any other factor. Guruji then said that whether you are on a battlefield, walking on the street, or resting at home, if the destined time, place, and means have not come together, you will remain unharmed. Death cannot touch you. The time itself protects you. Further, Guru Angad Dev Ji guided him that a good soldier must never run from the battlefield out of fear, to perform his duty with bravery and integrity, and to face every challenge with courage and faith. Now, friends, this is something that all of us can learn. Further, Guruji reminded Malusha to always keep the Almighty in his thoughts, meditating on the eternal truth of the soul. After listening to Guru Angad Dev Ji's teachings, Mallu Shah's heart was filled with hope. He then continued his role as a soldier in the Mughal army, but he no longer lived in fear. He embraced his duties with courage while also practicing compassion, helping the poor, giving to charity, and always keeping Almighty in his thoughts. My dear friends, this wisdom is for us too. Acting out of fear limits us, holding us back from truly living. Guruji's wisdom teaches us to rise above fear and face life with strength and trust in the divine. Let us also keep Vaheguru Ji in our hearts, serve others, and live with courage and kindness. Tune in next Thursday for more Sikh History Sakhis. Thank you.